and welcome back. Yes, it is indeed another episode of MX Breaks, and of course, your girl Miss Drew, the hostess with the mostest, is here ready to give you all of the fresh news in lifestyle and entertainment. So today, in the next few minutes, I'm about to tell you about the Socrate Sarfo, who is lamenting over how creative industry players are not supporting the growth of the sector. And, oh yes, Davido is back again, and he is hoping to become an MP. Also, Trey Songz, yeah, he has tested positive for coronavirus. So, to start with, let's talk about the creative arts director, who is responsible for programs and projects at the National Commission of Culture. Socrate Sarfo has bemoaned his colleagues in the industry for not supporting the insurance scheme meant for the industry. In October 2019, the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture announced that it would start an insurance scheme for players in the creative arts sector. The insurance is supposed to cater for the casualties experienced in the course of the duty. However, Socrate explains that the scheme is not active because most creative players have not signed up to the scheme. He noted that the service provider has been selected but doesn't understand why the beneficiaries of the scheme are not compliant. He is considering going online with the insurance scheme forms, which I think maybe he should. Moving on, Wendy Shay is back again, and she has been lamenting over the law that bans celebrities from advertising alcoholic beverages. You know, Food and Drugs Authority banned Ghanaian celebrities from advertising alcoholic beverages on the basis that it negatively influences the youth and regards celebrities as their role models. The Gaming Commission has also banned all celebrities from endorsing any form of betting. Oof. Reacting to the ban, Wendy, in a tweet, noted that the decision deprives her of her source of income. She's calling on the president, Nana Akufo-Addo, to revert the decision. Let's see if he actually even listens to her. Meanwhile, Nollywood actor John Okafor, popularly known as Mr. Ibu, has refuted claims that his protruding stomach was a result of his incessant consumption of alcoholic beverages. The actor revealed that his protruded stomach is because he was actually poisoned. So he narrated his ordeal. He mentioned that he was poisoned twice by people close to him, making his stomach and legs expand in size, which earlier made it impossible for him to walk. The comic actor said it took the intervention of the Almighty God for him to come out of that dire situation. Like I always say, trust no one. You are the most valuable player. You need to really be careful about the people that you are surrounding yourself with. Also, still in Nigeria, Davido, the Music Worldwide Limited, terminates the recording contract between the label and signee, Lil Frosh. The record label terminated the contract after Lil Frosh was accused of physically assaulting his girlfriend, Gifty. So the artist was called out on a social media post by the victim's manager after his client. Gift turned down a video shoot due to the injuries she sustained from her boyfriend, Lil Frosh. Now, Gift, his girlfriend, also confirmed this in a social media post. She explained that the physical, mental, and emotional abuse has been going on for 10 months. Guys, not one, not two, 10 months of abuse. Now, in the wake of the accusation, his record label severed all affiliations with the artist as they do not condone domestic violence, which they shouldn't. And Lil Frosh is yet to address the accusation. We are waiting, and of course your girl will let you know. Still on Davido though, Davido has revealed that he has plans of engaging in active politics. I mean, this guy is so full of surprises. He indicated that his uncle's involvement in politics motivated his desire to join. He said he will run for the House of Representatives, what we refer to as MP. Reacting to If his career as a musician will affect his chances of running for a political position, the music star is confident that nobody, no one, will be able to defeat him at any election when he decides to run. Very, very confident statement. I mean, that's Davido. I want the Nigerians to tell me, will you actually vote for Davido if he decides to run for MP? Now, American singer Tremaine Alden Neverson, popularly known as Trey Songz, Mr. It's Your Birthday, has actually tested positive for coronavirus. The 35-year-old and father of one noted that he is taking it seriously and self-quarantining until he tests negatives again. Now, I hope he really is doing that, looking after not just himself, but the people around him. Now let's talk lifestyle. You know, nations around the globe shut their borders to try and protect themselves from the spread of COVID-19. And travel and tourism was definitely hit the hardest. According to the United Nations World Tourism Organization, March travel arrivals slumped, guys, by 57%. That's crazy, over half. Now, ahead of the G20 summit in Saudi Arabia, which includes a dedicated tourism segment, the World Tourism Organization has signed a memorandum of understanding with the International Air Transport Association in order to work together and restart global tourism. Yes, please. Now, the new agreement will focus on enhancing consumer confidence in travel and placing sustainability at the center of recovery and future growth. Now, while the World Tourism Organization is working towards restoring confidence in the traveling sector, I cannot wait for this pandemic to be over so I can go back to doing Travel with Drew and exploring the world and not just Ghana. I'll ask you guys, if you guys are following me on YouTube, I always ask you guys, where would you like me to go to next? I've done nearly the whole of Ghana, but now I want to know, where in the world would you like me to go? Now let's go to talking about relationships. Yeah. We love love. I love love. We all want to have healthy relationships. But most of us were never really taught about what that actually means. So here are top tips for how to have and maintain a good relationship. Don't say that I don't got you guys. I've always got you. Number one, when you're in a relationship, do the things that you did the first year you were dating. You see? Do the things that you did the first year that you're dating. If it was going to the cinema, going out to eat, keep doing that. Number two, ask for what you want. Be explicit about it and say what you want. Don't go beating around the bush, be direct. Number three, ask questions beyond just how was your day? Ask follow-up questions. Make sure you have deep conversations. Deep conversations are good for the soul. I love a deep conversation. Number four, get creative about the time you spend together. Break out of the whole, dinner and movie routine and watch how, a little novelty can truly rejuvenate your relationship. Yes. Do things differently. Be spontaneous. Number five, make sure you also take vacations. Traveling is key. And you must remember that the key is being communicative and proactive. Guys, it is your girl, Miss Drew, and that is it for today. Now, a massive shout out to Dress Up Luxury. They're located in East Legon, giving me this sophisticated, rich auntie look. I love it. My hair, of course, Chriselle Hair and Beauty. My makeup, Erica's Face Beat. Guys, have a lovely day. I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah!